Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enter into safe mode, how to activate safe mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, long press this power button if you have enabled power off mode to the power button. Okay, or otherwise press power button and volume down button together and you will have power off option there. And long press on power off and you will have safe mode option and just click it and your phone will be now rebooting into safe mode. Just wait, your phone is being restarted and it will be now restarted with safe mode. Okay, normal mode will not appear, only safe mode will now come. Just wait. Android, powered by Android. Yes, you are seeing a safe mode label in the bottom left side. Just swipe up to open your phone screen and see here. You are seeing safe mode here. Okay, so safe mode is enabled or activated in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.